Hi everybody, welcome back to a new episode. It's going to be a short one and it's about wall easels. It's how to update the wall easels that you may or may have not made. The wall easel that I created has a star knob on it, and the star knob is essentially it's a knob with a bolt, a regular washer, and a lock washer. For sake, a lock washer. Knob, lock washer, regular washer, and a normal bolt. And you usually put those all together. They go through here. You can adjust it, and then that makes your easel go up or down, and then you can tighten it. It works well, but not 100%, I found out. Sometimes the bolt that goes through it spins, so you gotta take your finger, find the bolt, so then you can get this nice and tight. I found something that's even better now. This is a Camlock. Sorry for yelling. This is a Camlock. Since I'm a woodworker type guy, this is meant for woodworking jigs. A Camlock is the cam itself, a bolt, a washer, and a rubber washer, and they come shipped like that. So I thought to myself, this might be better than a star knob. So let's try it out. Oh, okay. Sorry, got wood between my legs. As you take it apart, there is a barrel that goes in your cam. Just like that. So that way your bolt has something to screw into. That's what fell out. I have done this before, just not today, I guess. Whoops. The nice thing about a Camlock is you play with how tight you actually tighten it. Once you get it reasonably close, you tighten it, put it down, and you're done.
Forget about it.
If I want to loosen this, I lift up on a cam, slide it, lock it. I don't have to fidget with the star knob anymore. So I can move it up, move it down. Star knobs are still good. These are better. The only downside is a star knob is gonna run you about $2-3 tops. A package of these clamps is gonna run you anywhere from like $11 to $14 for a pack of 2. So they are a lot more expensive, but your results are gonna be a lot more gooder. So thanks everybody for watching. Hope you learned a little bit more on how to make your wall easel even more gooder. Thanks again. Yeah, I said that. But I will see you next time. Bye. Okay, bye. So,